Playing on the dirt road, lost control and smacked that tree. Oh my goodness. Mm.
Yeah. It's an older shoulder too. He's probably like a 2011. Look. Everybody should come up.
Yeah, no, they was finna have a good day. They was on their way to the carnival. I know they pissed. Who the driver?
Who the driver though?
I don't know. Ain't nobody else got out there.
Somebody boyfriend is. See what's going on back here now. Mug still a start up. They was trying to get it unstuck, but it's a wrap. They turned that into a party. That's the police, you know. He came and spoiled the party. You know, they got to always spoil the party. Just when dude got here in the truck to pull the car up off the tree, cops came. Coming to spoil the party. Man. Fire truck, everything coming. Yeah. He should have been 20 minutes earlier. That would have been straight. They don't got everybody. They don't spoil the party. I'm called Ski Town Bad Boys. Yeah, Captain Kirk, he got to go investigate. So what happened here, guys? Looked like they was doing some donuts or something out here. All right, so happy Memorial Day weekend, baby. Happy Memorial Day weekend. They don't came and spoil the party. If my man in the truck had been 20 minutes early, wouldn't have been none of that going on. Oh, he looking to see what they was doing. He's smart. He investigating.